Well, this is I-Zel, and I am up next on the road to success.
I-Zel, welcome to Up Next.
It's a blessing, and you know I am up next.
All right. So I-Zel, kick off things real fast. Tell viewers where you hail from and a little about your background.
Well, you know I hail from the parish of St. Thomas, you know. You know, them say look to the east to the coming of the Black King. You know, it all start from, you know. So big up the ancestors, you know, Paul Bogle. You understand? Big up the real hard working people who put in the work and pave the way for you and I can forward on the platform. So I say give thanks.
What was I-Zel doing before he got into music officially?
Well, you know, I feel like from the first sound of music, I sing it just I cry, people know it as. You know? So, and you know, me born in a musical surrounding, you know, mother side, mother a singer, grandmother big singer. You know, me have an uncle who was in the business, so same way, and still I do him thing, big up Ninja Rebel. And you know, Terror Fabulous, forward from the same community, you know, big up St. Thomas. You see what I say, place called Georgie. You know, big up the whole Georgie, same way, Seafoot, Yalas, you know, Dumfries, big up the whole lice, you know what I mean? Yeah, man. And I say, you know, my father side now, father had have a son called Black Symbolic, you know, a whole heap of artists always come on from Yalas. So, you know, we have Roundhead, Nitty, Kochi, Ghost, General B. We used to see these artists coming on, Capeton, big up the fireman, same way. You know what I mean? So, it's a musical surrounding, man. So, I just see, say, we're born for this.
Recall for us how you actually got started in the music though. We know you say grow up around music, but recall for us like that first time you actually probably entered the studio and did that first official recording.
Well, in a school it started, you know, because, you know, we have two brethren, same we have beat the rhythm pan decks, and, you know, it start from it. That's something that beat rhythm pan decks, and, you know, skull big up yourself, you know, Tyrone, you know the thing. You see what I say? So, yeah, man, and we have our next virgin, Anthony Cameron, you know, my father big in the music to Anthony Red Rose, big up yourself. So that's the first studio we really go. You know what I mean? Virgin bring me go over in father's studio and say, oh, you know, and it start there.
You remember the song you actually first recorded?
I think so, you know. Yeah, man, I think so. Girl, you know that you're my number one. Girl, you know that you're the only one. You are the empress, I want to hold my hand, baby. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
Yeah, man.
Who would you say are some of your musical influences and why?
And you know, as me say, it start from my uncle, you know, Ninja Rebel, Terror Fabulous, you know, Capeton, Roundhead, General B, Nitty Kochi, Ghost. See what I say? Because these are the artists who really go around and see them and do the thing, and you see what I say? But my uncle was one of my biggest influence, because you don't know him in the household same way, and you know, see him do it, and you know, go out the road and see Terror Fabulous them in the community and do it. So that was a big influence. You see what I say? And you know, my artist was Beanie Man. You see what I say? Still my artist same way. And you know, growing up and in the street and meet all bounty killer, and is a really out, and you know, say the man that set a real foundation trend when it comes to artists and helping youths and these things. So you have to show respect to the people who put out the work and, you know, pave a way for the younger generation. You know, man, much love to every artist, man, same way.
How do you describe your style of music and what makes I-Zel's music different or unique?
And my style of music, you know, is just educational, because Nakia the Johnny, you know, he's a flexible artist. You see me I say, when it comes to dancehall, reggae music, Nakia the Johnny, we just do music. But we try to keep the music clean and try to always have a message in the music I send across the world. You know what I mean? So my music is more for educational music, you know, keep the thing more positive and uplifting.
IZel, new releases and projects. Tell us about some of the releases you have out now and projects that you are currently working on.
Yeah, man, we have some nice songs out there. We love the people and we check out. You know, we released a few songs with Kingpin Records the other day, Zan Avenue. One called Fresh Prince, one called Lonely, you know, produced by Kingpin Records, you know what I mean? And we have a few songs out there, SE Music, Jealousy with me and Simone, you know what I mean? A couple songs, so just look out for a bag of work. I have an EP I come up seeing with Kingpin Records, so I say, Up 7 Records, a lot of Anjo Pang, so a lot of music coming out, so just look forward for great music. This song is called Lonely. And you know, the girls don't like to be lonely. You understand? So I want you to check out this song. It's on YouTube, all platforms, so you can check it out. She don't wanna be lonely. Tired of being lonely. She rather be lonely. Yeah, don't wanna be lonely. Tired of being lonely. She rather be lonely. I swear I feel cold when I listen to a story, but I gotta be a grown man. And hold my composure, pull a little closer. She only need love when showing emotion. All she said to me, always be there for me. You're my destiny, I would never leave. Sometimes she cry herself to sleep from all the painful memories. She said hurt is the worst feeling to ever feel. And she don't wanna be lonely. You know,
right.
Up next.
Yes, I. Alright, so right away, IZel, just tell the viewers where they can find you on the socials so them can go lock the song, follow or go on with IZel's career.
Yeah, man, you know, you can find me on Instagram, you know, I_ZEL official. So that's IZel official. You know what I mean? On Instagram. And you know, IZel Up Things, Facebook. IZel435 on Twitter. You know what I mean? IZel Up Things, YouTube. So just follow and support the music, you know what I mean?
Alright. IZel, what is your ultimate goal in music?
It's just to put out some quality music, you know, because we love music. And I like we in music, we say we are try. If you just gain this or gain that, we love music. So as long as we live, we do music. You see what I say? So it's just to put out great music, great content, and keep the fans them happy, you know what I mean? Up things.
Alright, we're going to put you on the spot now. If you had the opportunity to collaborate with one local artist and one overseas act, who would they be and why?
John, you put me in a really spot, you know, because there is so much artists in Jamaica where we need to collaborate with. And then we say we are the music, so we don't plan to limit the music. You see what I say? We want to work with every artist. For the music you do, we want to work with every artist. You see what I say? But I love for the music with Bounty Killer. You see what I say? The general, because he's a man of with a good heart and in believing in the youths them from nothing. And you see when people look for you from there is nothing and try to make you have something, big up yourself, Bounty Killer, general.
You say they meet Killer already?
Yes, man.
What was that interaction?
Yo, it was one of the best feelings, me I tell her. Because as the same thing as me tell her, Killer is a man where from your thing real and connect, and if it not real, I tell her say it need to fix. So that is one of the things we love with Bounty Killer. Big up yourself for all that. You don't know. Pray to Jah your blessing may always flow. You know what I mean? Your food basket may never be empty, general. Up things.
Alright. IZel, just big up who forget big up before we leave.
That's cool, no, man. Everybody forget big up. Up next, you know, give thanks, you know, is a blessing, you know. Big up YGP, One Camp, you know, George P, big up yourself. Time Boss, big up yourself. Kingpin Records, Zan Avenue, you know the thing, One Avenue. Up things, big up the whole St. Thomas. Big up the whole downtown, uptown, all around. You know, Negril, Mobile. You understand? Dumfries, my yard, up things. No craft things. You understand? Them call me Fresh Prince. From a born, me is a boy, love the best things. Work hard for what I want, me no beg drinks. Son of boy nah no girl where menses can control my senses. Me no show teeth, ya dentist. Right now, me even trust some of these friendship. Them bad mind, them red, ya envy. Carry news and tell life it look trendy. Them same one try sell me. What else ya go tell me? Me have a different kind of heart, make you selfish. Me a real talk, some band boy, you apprentice. Them a style where you see me draw for authentic. Man wise them can't tempt me. Me do me own a thing and me no follow man. Me know if me drop a jailhouse and me mother want. It hard ready if you no have a plan. Right now me say me ready for your marathon. Big up me dog belly, big up Jonathan. R.I.P. Prince, you in another land. Larry shoulda there, me say God a God. Check from school days, a heavy girl me have. Them call me Fresh Prince. Fresh Prince, them call me Fresh Prince. Up things, no cruff things. Up next,
IZel.
on the road to success. Up things.
Respect for passing through.
It's a blessing, man.
All right.
Heart of love.